In today's video, I am sharing a quick weight loss drink which is made using coffee and lemon juice. It will burn your belly fat, reduce waistline and help lose weight effectively in 7 days. Let's know how to make this drink. To make this drink, we need two main ingredients, that is coffee and lemon. Coffee and lemon are the common ingredients found in almost every kitchen and they have many proven benefits due to the presence of antioxidants found in them. Use instant coffee powder or black coffee made using coffee beans or coffee pods but not decaffeinated coffee. Amazingly, caffeine increases lipase, an enzyme that helps break down fat during digestion. It is the synergetic combination of caffeine and chlorogenic acid working together that makes coffee a great fat-burning technique. They help break down the fat cells which our body is able to utilize further in the form of energy. On the other hand, lemon boosts metabolism, flushes out toxins and promotes satiety and helps keep our calorie intake low. Now let's start to make the weight loss drink. Take a cup and add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Now cut the lemon in half and add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Next fill the cup with hot water. Mix all the ingredients well and the quick coffee lemon drink is ready. This is the strongest fat cutter drink which is easy to make and also tasty, and also super effective when it comes to weight loss and fat burn. You will see the inches reduce in no time. You will lose up to 2 to 3 inches of your belly fat in just a week depending on your body's fat percentage. Make sure to eat healthy for the rest of the day. Have this drink in the morning on an empty stomach and thereafter whenever you have a coffee in a day, follow the same procedure. Within a week, you will surely see a noticeable change. Follow this for a month or more, as it is completely natural. If you are prone to acidity because of coffee or lemon on an empty stomach, then have one date before having the street. After 10 minutes of having one date, you can enjoy the drink. Have your breakfast, 30 to 45 minutes after having this fat cutter drink. Also remember to have this drink warm. Do try this easy and effective weight loss drink and share your feedback in the comments section below. If you find this helpful, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to channel for more useful contents.